Hey YouTube, it's Justin. Well, today we have a very exciting item. This is something that I ordered I probably put in for this like, oh my God, probably 6-7 months ago. What it is there's a guy on Instagram, his name is Metal Models, okay? And what he does is he builds like models of like whatever type of stuff you want. Heavy equipment. I mean, I've seen backhoes, bulldozers, trucks, and all that stuff. He is from Australia. I will tell you, these are not cheap. Between the two of these, I got about $2,100 in these motherfuckers, just to let you know. But as you can see, this is a straight unboxing, okay? So I have not opened these. He did send me pictures of them when they were done, but I thought these would be cool to have around the shop, just as like, you know, it's something cool that you got around when, you know, people come in to your office. You know what I'm saying? So the guy did an excellent job packing them. They are heavy as fucking hell. So let's take a look at this here. Woo-hoo! So these are scale models of my Peterbilts. Okay? The guy does an excellent job. You know what I'm saying? I mean, he's got the tarps on them. The beds look very good. It's got tires on here. This is my 6-axle 389 Peterbilt. Wow. Like, take a look at this thing. This thing is heavy as fuck, you know. But I thought it'd be a cool piece to, you know, have in the shop. Let's go take a look at what the next one looks like. But I thought it'd be a, you know, kind of a, you know, a showpiece. You know, it says, hey, I'm proud of what I do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I am proud to own dump trucks. I don't think that it's a hillbilly business or anything like that anymore. I am, you know, I'm real proud of, you know, this guy did an excellent job putting these together. So, shoot, wait. So, this one is my 7-axle Peterbilt. What you do is you send him a whole bunch of pictures through Instagram or Instagram, Facebook, whatever that. His name is Metal Models. Look him up on Instagram. But, you know, we got these two beautiful 389 fucking Peterbilts. You know what I'm saying? I will tell you that this is, it's just fucking cool to have that. So, like, take a look at these things. Get kind of zoomed in on them there. But you can see we got the 7-axle. So, a lot of you know, we got the 7-axle here. That this is the truck that Nick's drives. You know what I'm saying? If these weren't so expensive, I'd give these to the guys. You know, give these to the guys. Whatever. It says Metal Models there. That's the guy that made it. These are hefty as hell. They cost $150 to ship from Australia. And then here is the 6-axle. So this is just cool stuff to have, you know, around the shop. It kind of says, hey, you know, I made it. Check this stuff out. It looks cool as fuck. You know, I'm going to have to get something to have these there. But that way you guys know what these are when you start seeing them behind the thing. But go ahead and check this dude out if you guys want to get some models made of maybe your trucks or something that you're real proud of that you worked really hard to get. But you know, other than that, you know, pretty much thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, a little unboxing, something different. Like always, check out Instagram, Patreon, all that bullshit. We are less than a couple weeks away from the big surprise. Maybe about 3 or 4 weeks, you guys are going to see a big surprise coming to this channel. It's been hard to keep it a secret this long, I will tell you that. But like always, check out that Patreon account. And like always, check out this metal guy. Fucking excellent work. Excellent work. I'm super impressed. And like always, thanks for watching. And I gotta fucking go.